Hey everybody, Kerry Harrison again, Simple Wood Turning Tools, and this time I'm going to turn one of these Rhino pen blanks, and I'm doing something a little different with this one. I've already turned one of the parts, and you can see there that this is some really cool stuff. Yeah, there you go. So that's one half. And what I did that's different is these pen blanks, they're from Penn State, and they're about 1 inch square. So I decided, man, I wonder if a guy could cut it in half diagonally and get 2 pens out of it. So that's what I did. And you can see I got the second part of my pen on the mandrel already, and that's sort of what I came up with. So I cut it in half diagonally, and then I clipped the corners off on the bandsaw too. So we put that on there, and it actually worked. That's the amazing thing. Anyway, let's get this going here. Tighten that up. Okay, so I'm going to start this at 3,000 RPM. There we go. And we're going to start with the 90-degree tool. One of the benefits I found out about cutting this thing diagonally is, well, there isn't much material left. So I can take it down pretty fast. And this 90 is the tool for roughing again. As you can see, it's working great. We'll go over here to this end, shape that. One thing that we found out when we were developing these tools is that it's usually a lot better to just do 1 pen blank at a time. You know, these mandrels, they'll hold 2 pen blanks, but when you have 2 on there, it's so long that it's flexible. And when you get to the middle of the mandrel with both pen blanks on there, it really likes to vibrate, and you have a lot of problems with chipping and stuff. So just found out it's a lot better to do it 1 pen blank at a time. So there, we got her roughed down with the 90, and now we'll go to the STH. And here again, it's riding the bevel. Oh, I got to speed the lathe up. 4,000 is going to be a good speed for this, I think. So yeah, we'll go up to 4,000. And see that? I'm getting a bunch of that wrapping around there. That's because I didn't have this churned quite enough. So I'm riding the bevel and rotate or roll the tool. And that keeps the chips going out the side or down below instead of shooting up in my face. Oop, might help to keep that tool on the tool rest. And the nice thing about this, I can ride the bevel of the tool right on the bushing, and it doesn't cut my bushing all up on me. And I actually go a little bit faster. We'll go up to 4,500. See what that's like. You know what? That's too fast. Go back to about 4. Hard to not get it to wrap around sometimes. I think what I need to do is lower my tool rest just a little bit. Oh, I actually raised it. There we go. So when you're using these tools, they work like a spindle gouge. You actually want to cut above the center line of the lathe. There we go. Got just the right cut there. And riding that bevel, see how I rub the bevel, then raise the handle till it starts cutting, and roll it a little bit in the direction I'm going, and there comes that nice ribbon. And we'll just go across here. Kind of doing a barrel shape on this one. Gotta stop a minute. Clear that off of there. Ride the bevel right on the bushing one more time. Make sure I get the perfect size. I've got it to where it's just catching it. And I get my basic shape that I want there. Then we'll go to the Simple Rougher, or AR Simple Start Rougher. And take out the tool marks. Kind of funny using the rougher at the end, but kind of got different rules with this acrylic stuff. See how it feels here. I still got a few ridges there. I found out sometimes if I go really fast back and forth, that really takes the high spots off. Doesn't get to give the tool a chance to get down in the low areas. Yeah, pretty good. I still got a few bumps there. One there and one about right there. Now we're looking good. There. So that takes care of that. And what I'm going to do this time is I'm going to polish this up and put it together, and then I'll be back and show you the finished pencil is actually what I'm making. Okay, there it is. Got the whole thing put together, and it's looking pretty sweet, I think. This stuff shines up great. What a nice pen. So again, it came out of, what do we got here? It's called Amber Waves Rhino Pen Blank. And it's from Penn State. So there you go. Thanks for watching.